Hi everyone, I'm looking to short the British pound Japanese yen. As you can see here, dropped nicely and it's holding at this supporting trend line, but I think it needs to retrace and there's plenty of resistance up here, so I'm going to short into the 75 to 157.75 to 158 zone, and we'll see what happens. You can get ready here to start adding orders as we're starting to break out here, so in 60, 70, 80, around that zone. Alright, first order is coming in. See, you got filled at 157.53 on the short. Get ready for my next order. Okay, I'm closing out this lot. It's a nice drop, and I think it might pop back up, so I can close it out now. Captured 8.2 pips, so doubled. It's about 17 pips, and I think it'll come back up, so I'll see what I can do. Okay, I'm going to reshort the first position here. I got filled at 157.56. You can see it's popping back up. So I'll continue adding shorts up to this trend line. I think it's going to pop above 157.60 and then I'll add another short. Well, we got to tick above 60, so let me see if we can get some longer action up there, and then I'll get filled because I don't want to sell when it's oscillating like that. I want to wait for it to get above 60 for a couple of ticks. Still waiting to get a pop above 60. Let's see if we can pull that off. I'm thinking with all this pressure building up, when it does break above 57.60, it should go pretty fast. It's getting closer. Alright, here it's coming, 59.4. See if we can get the pop above. There we go. I'm going to wait for a little bit more than 60.5. It's coming up there. There we go. One more. So, short another 2 here. And see, got filled on the second one at 157.61 roughly. It's going higher. I'm going to short 4 lots on my next short position if I do enter one. What I'd love to see is, after all this pressure building up, a big spike up to here. That would give me a perfect entry to short, and it would be kind of a climax to this little parabola going on here. I see price is starting to come down a little bit here, so I'm going to try and close out my first lot at 157.55 for a break even if possible, and then I have my second lot as my main position, but I'll see if I can do it. You can see here I closed that one out at 0.01. That leaves me with my second position from 157.61, so I'm nicely in profit on that, and I can just let that run, and if it comes back up then I'll add more. Closing out one lot here. That didn't work. Let's see if I can get a better price. Okay, here we go. Got one lot remaining, 15 pips profit on that, so I can put a stop in at 57.50, 58. So I lock in a couple of pips and just let that run. Looks like it's coming down here now. Yep. I'm going to try and take my last profit here in a second. It's dropping nicely. Let's just see what I can get here. There we go. Oh, missed that one. Oh shoot. Well, I missed a couple pips on that, no big deal, but let's see what I got today. So, captured 25 pips on these 2 lots, 16 pips on here. So net, that is about 20 pips, but on 2 lots. So it's pretty good trading for just a few minutes here. I still think